Number circle. How the tool works. Follow the tutorial to learn how to use the tool. Set the difficulty. Choose from 3 levels of difficulty. Exercise types. Practice not only basic operations, but also greater than and less than relations. Multi-user mode. Use the tool on a multi-touch device. Let's find out how to use the number circle tool. Read the operations starting from the outermost ring. Place the numbers from the set in the right place by dragging them or clicking on them. If you fill in the number circle correctly, a green check mark appears. Click on the arrow to start a new exercise. You can choose from 3 levels of difficulty. Click on this icon to select exercises involving multiplication and division. You can have a maximum of 3 wrong answers. These are marked with red dots. Click on this icon if you want to practice greater than or less than relations. Click on a number you have placed in the circle or drag it to reposition it. Click on the Home icon to restart an exercise. Several users can do an exercise at the same time using a multi-touch device, for example, an interactive board. If you fill in the number circle correctly, a green check mark appears. You can also insert the tool into mozaBook as interactive content. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.